This product allows you to easily transport and rotate 55-gallon steel drums using a fork truck. Each unit is provided with a 15-foot long chain to allow the drum to be rotated up to 360 degrees from the fork truck operator seat. Fork pockets measure 7 5/8 inches wide by 2 5/8 inches high, usable. DC-powered units include two 12-volt batteries, onboard charger, and handheld control on a 4-foot to 20-foot long coil cord. Safety restraint is used to secure unit to the fork truck. Bung Nut Wrench is also included for opening and closing drums.